全世界经济因为前几年疫情的关系稀累咧，不过即马美国的娱乐产业已经开始咧复苏。亲像《芭比》这出电影放送17天，全世界票房就已经超过美金10亿，这嘛是有史以来头一摆有女性的导演创下这么好的成绩。也伫今年5月份的时，歌星泰勒斯的巡回演唱会，嘛有带动观光旅游的热潮甲商机，这嘛显示女性的力量会当带动全世界的经济。
台北一边影院观众伫芭比主题布景翕相打卡，满足家族真人芭比的乐趣。芭比放送17天卖破10亿美金，差不多318亿台票，全球票房超过《哈利波特》《死神圣物志》的19天。接到甲编剧格丽塔·杰回家族美国影史第29岁10亿美金票房导演，伫头前28前辈拢是10部导演。
In some ways, even though it's Barbie, it's also an extremely personal movie for me, and it feels like a lot of things that I'm interested in, both even aesthetically from a filmmaking point of view, but also the ideas in it and kind of the emotions of it and the characters and how what we're exploring and how we're looking at it.
Hey Barbie.
这回一向真高解雇女性议题，芭比为塑胶七头米亚家族有自主意识的智慧女性观众是真有感觉。
And I love the diversity. I love the concept about life and death, and then like what is it like in the real world and woman empowerment.
华人界也发现女性族群的消费力未当轻视的关键，也佫有流行天后泰勒斯的时代巡回演唱会。
I think what we're seeing is a Taylor Swift economy. However, the moment the lockdowns were lifted, we have seen a big resurgence in services spending. So people are traveling, they're going to concerts, they're eating out, they're meeting their families and friends.
一个媒体研究机构有讲，泰勒斯巡演创造的消费商机将近1600亿台票。歌迷看一场演唱会平均爱开4万台票，包含票价、加大甲其他消费，会开这钱女性歌迷也未少。美国经济市场数据显示，6月份25到54岁女性劳动参与率高达77.8%，增加疫情进前水准，佫是6年来新高点。女性也影响超过80%的消费支出。电影甲演唱会带动的女力娱乐经济，佫一摆见证女性消费的力量。公司新闻张淑芬报道。